Alam mo bang, siguro 1/3 ng mga kliyente ko na buyer gustong mag-back out.
Oh, yeah.
During the time
yes.
ng pasara na, ha?
Oo. Yeah.
Kasi natakot sila sa monthly
Yun
payment.
nga. Oh, yeah. Ito yung sa mga challenges na nakikita ko sa in my end.
Correct.
We're gonna see the rates slowly but surely going down. I think we're gonna be seeing a lot of refinance coming
Do you
through.
think there's gonna be a lot of
Yeah,
refinance?
yeah, I think it's gonna coming no matter what kasi nga houses has equity.
Correct.
And some of them has, mortgage insurance. They're actually ready for refinance.
January 1st of
Yes.
this year, naging law na po na kapag buyer po kayo at titingin ng bahay, you need to have a buyer agency. Hindi na po tayo po pwedeng tatawag lang tapos, hey, can you show me 1, 2, 3, 4 Banana Street?
Oo nga.
So you need to hire a realtor that will actually make an appointment for you to see the house. Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold, and this is
Alvin Reyes with Supreme Lending.
and welcome to our
Episode 68
of
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate! Yes, yes!
Hello, Happy New
Hello,
Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year to all. Yes, yes.
Ano, excited ka na ba?
Sobrang excited ako.
We are in 2025.
2025 is here.
Ang bilis ng panahon,
Sobrang bilis. Sobrang bilis.
Remember, we were just talking about Y2K in year 2000.
Yeah, sobrang bilis. And 2024 was
How
a
was
little bit of a
2020?
challenge, di ba?
Really?
Oo.
So tell me, how was your 2024?
Unang-una, we have inflation.
Okay.
Masyadong terrible inflation
Okay.
natin.
And then?
Pangalawa, alam naman natin in our business, di ba? Rates was a little bit kind of like
High.
high, baba, high, baba, baba. Parang hindi siya stable.
Correct.
Right? Okay?
Oo, yes.
So it's very challenging sa business ko, sa business namin.
Business,
yeah.
as a loan officer.
As a loan officer, right? And also at the same time, nakikita ko rin naman sa mga tao because of the inflation, mahal lahat ng mga bilihin.
Oo nga, isa
Oo.
pa yun.
Diba?
Oo,
Right?
mahal ang bilihin for sure.
So I think 2025 will bring us a better year. Right?
Better. And
Nafe-feel ko na.
And
Nafe-feel ko
hopefully,
na.
do you think this new administration, the new president,
Yun
will
ang
kind of help out the Americans?
Yeah. And I'm praying na sana this new administration will help
Will be
us
better?
Yeah, help more for the people, 'di ba?
Okay.
For the country, 'di ba?
Yes.
Pero like I said, we've talked about a lot of stuff nung 2024 about the other presidency, 'di ba?
Yes,
About the
oo.
border, about inflation,
Correct.
about the economy. So hopefully this year unti-unti hindi natin na mapag-uusapan yan, right?
Correct.
We'll do
Oo
the better.
nga.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Ikaw naman, how's your New Year by the way? Anong
New
nangyari?
Year, it was just quiet. I
Quiet
mean,
lang.
just like how I wanted it. Nakapagpahinga. I was able to sleep well, okay, and
Oh, wow.
sleep in. At naayos ko yung pantry ko.
Ang hirap kayo mag-isang pantry, di ba?
Oh my goodness.
So, na-realize mo, mga expired na yung mga...
expired yung
Oo.
mga pagkain.
Kami din.
Pinagtatapo ko lang.
Kami din. Well, this
At
is
least organized.
Well, this is the year. That's the reason why we have New Year because it's a new beginning.
Correct.
New start for everything,
new
right?
beginning,
Oo.
yes.
Naman tanong kita, Elizabeth, real talk tayo.
Okay,
Okay?
real talk.
By the way, this is our first take for 2025.
Yes,
Sa
this
Bahay
is
Pinoy
our
sa Tate.
first episode
Yeah.
for 2025. Okay.
Ito, real talk lang tayo. If there's
Okay.
anything that you've learned nung 2024, di ba? Right? Can you share sa amin o sa akin
2024.
ano yung mga bagay na gusto mong i-share na kung may natutunan ka ng 2024 na gusto mong i-share na
Okay. Okay, isipin ko muna ha, pero ikaw muna.
Ako muna.
Okay, why don't you start first? Mag-iisip pa ako.
Okay.
Okay.
Ako sabihin ko,
medyo malalim yan.
ito pinag-usapan na natin kanina to, pero
Okay.
sabihin ko na uli sa'yo. Ako, like I said, unang-una, 2025, I'm gonna be in a beast mode. Okay?
Beast mode,
Mismo talaga ako.
naman.
Talagang,
yan ang team mo, beast.
beast mode. Para akong kabayo na alam mo, pag nangangarera, nakaganon lang siya. Diba?
Okay, correct.
Focus lang. Because ako sa akin kasi, like I said, 2025, I feel like it's going to be a better year.
Okay.
And I don't want any obstacles talaga.
Okay,
Yeah.
well,
Everything's
that's good.
double up. Everything's double up. My
Double up.
business, my relationship, my prayer,
Mm.
lahat. Okay?
Okay.
That includes your business with me.
Wow, syempre Okay.
Now, let's do this. 2024, if there's anything that I've learned, I feel like, kasi nga, I'm always on the go, right? I'm always,
Oo nga, you're busy.
parati akong, and I want I expect everyone around me to be in the same pace as I am, right?
Okay.
Parang feel ko, like I said, everybody may not be in the same boat as I am, but as long as we're in the same goal, as far as the same finish line, same direction,
Or you're going to
the same
direction.
the same direction, okay ako doon. Right?
Okay, well,
Parang
that's
feel ko yun.
good.
Parang yung parang I don't want to, kumbaga ba, ayokong i-force lahat ng people around me, especially my team, to be in the same pace as I am.
Mm.
As long as we have the same finish goal, the same lang, kumbaga ba, the same goal kami lahat, that would be okay
should
with me.
be okay.
I'll be okay with that one.
Okay, but what about personally?
Personally, kasi ako, sa personal naman, ako very, happy naman ako. I think 2024, I found joy and peace. Parang nakita ko yung konting,
Wow, ganda naman yan Joy and peace.
Oo, totoo. Parang
Those
naging
are-
kalmado ko ng konti.
Mm.
Kalmado akong konti despite sa mga very challenging year, right? I feel like I've faced all the challenges very, good. Kasi nga, kalmado ka eh. I'm not, kumbaga ba-
Like reacting like crazy.
yeah, I'm not emotionally like ready to go to war, parang gano'n, di ba? Di ba? Pero parang
Okay.
feel ko lang 2024 brought me more joy and peacefulness. Ba?
Wow,
Internally,
ang lalim
personally.
yan
Malalim talaga.
Alam mo, you obtain that through prayers.
Yeah, totoo yun
Diba?
nga, oo. Yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
that is something intangible.
Totoo yan.
na hindi mo, it's hindi mo anong tawag diyan, nararamdaman mo yan. At sa katahimikan din ng puso't diwa mo, di ba? Parang gano'n.
Parang gano'n. With my peaceful and joy, I also 2024 na learn ko, I want to eliminate all the people around me na walang, kumbaga ba, doesn't really bring me anything or bring me
And doesn't bring you any value.
values at all. Oh. And marami yan. We just need to really look at people, di ba? Kaibigan pa rin sila, pero ibig ko sabihin, I just want to be able to, kasi nga, like I said, I want to be in beast mode in 2025. I don't want any
Really
obstacle.
focus.
Talagang focus ako ngayon. In anything else. Kasi 2025, as you know, it's a half of a 10th year ng 20, remember?
It's a quarter of a century.
Tapos in the 10 years, di ba? Kasi magiging 2030 na. 30 na.
Correct.
Diba? Nasa halfway na tayo. So we have to double up everything.
Wow.
Okay. Ikaw naman. Ano namang
Okay, actually, learned lesson for me for 2024 is like don't sweat the small stuff.
This one, okay. Oh,
Yeah.
Ibang version yun. Sige.
Dati may pagka-control.
I like that. May gaano malalim. Naiintindihan ko kaagad.
May pagka-control freak kasi ako. I want everything to be perfect. Whatever that I envision, kailangan put to light. Diba?
Para acceptance.
So parang nagkaroon ako ng acceptance na rin. Dati kasi noon gusto ko, control.
It's my way or the highway.
Parang gano'n. So ngayon, it's like more like God's will.
Yes.
Ganon. Yes.
Napansin ko nga sa yan Medyo,
Really?
I'm hearing more spiritually about God from you. Natutuwa naman ako.
Yes,
Sa totoo lang.
nga. Yun nga lang, minsan pag binamak ako,
Oo nga.
bumabalik.
Tao lang tayo, di ba?
Pero
Direct,
at least,
narinig mo yun, direct
I make conscious effort na, okay. Don't sweat the small stuff. Let it go.
Yes.
Parang ganun.
Yes.
Okay.
Any another one? Another one?
Another one is maybe submission.
Submission.
Yeah,
Okay.
Kasi,
Talk English to me. Submission. Okay.
kasi malalim yan.
Malalim,
diba?
as in malalim talaga yung submission.
Okay, kasi ganito, sa culture natin, especially the new generation,
Yes.
di ba?
Okay.
It's all about like ano ba ito? Like I'm a woman, independent. I don't need a man.
I can do it all.
I could do it all.
Yeah,
things
yeah.
like that, diba?
Yeah.
So I mean, this is not for everyone, and
Yes.
I'm not judging anyone. This is just my own personal
Of course.
opinion. Okay. Siyempre kasi may pagka-dominante kasi ako, di ba? Okay, kasi you know, when you're a woman in business, you know, kasi kung hindi ka ganon, kakainin ka ng buhay,
you
di ba?
have the alpha attitude.
Alpha attitude.
Yeah.
Okay. So sometimes because of that, nadadala ko sa bahay.
Di
ba? So minsan kasi syempre mali pala 'yon.
Mali talaga.
Kasi
yun.
syempre you have a husband that you have to listen to.
Yun,
diba?
oo.
So yun. So I am learning that I
Direct, narinig mo ba yun, ha?
So,
I like that.
So
2025.
para lang hindi
Wala
kayo,
na.
you know, magtalo or anything. Just let it go, let it be.
Let it
Ganun
go.
na lang.
Yeah.
Para kasi you don't want your energy to argue or you know, sweat the small stuff.
For sure,
right?
for sure.
So pabayaan mo na, sige,
For sure,
okay
for
na.
sure.
Let him win sometimes.
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Parang ganun, ha? What about your team? I know you have a new couple of
Yes,
new
oo.
people in your team. I love
I'm very
it.
excited
Yeah,
kasi nga, you know, a lot of people don't know na akala nila Sacramento lang ako nagmamarket.
Correct.
But what a lot of people don't know that the Velasco team of Remax Gold, we have 3 agents in the Bay Area. So we have an office in Daly City, we have an office in San Jose, Benicia, and Vacaville. Yes, so in Fairfield also.
Yes.
So if you know, if we have some clients that you know looking to, you know, needed our help,
especially in the Bay Area.
Yeah, we could definitely help them.
Definitely.
Yes,
And I saw the picture, ang ganda ng take nyo ng picture. Lahat nakabihis.
Yes,
I like that.
kasi we're launching the
Yeah.
new version of the Velasco team of Remax Gold. And I'm very excited kasi
kita ko.
alam mo, talagang nakikita ko itong new partnership. Talagang I don't need a lot of agents.
Quality
all I need
lang.
is an elite team.
Yeah. And I see them. I see that.
Yes,
I see all their faces. Nakita ko nga, di ba?
Yes.
And right away ako, this is going to be a solid team.
Yeah, solid.
Yeah,
Oo,
solid.
yeah. At saka nandoon yung passion at saka yung dedication at saka yung commitment nila sa kliyente.
Kumbaga ba nakita mo kung sino yung natira? So especially sa 2024, di ba?
Yes.
Everybody was going out of, kumbaga ba, in our business.
Ang daming issues. Like I had one agent na aksidente. So for 6 months, di siya nakapagtrabaho. I have one agent na, ano bang tawag dito? May health issues. I have one agent na nagkaroon ng family issues. Ang dami.
Or simply because of the nature of the business was really hard as well. And they just, you know, hindi na talaga sila, nawalan na sila ng interest to do the business, di ba? Marami yan. Marami nangyari yan sa realtor.
That's true, yes. And I'm glad that these people, kasi alam naman natin, Alvin, we are in a skill-based business.
Correct.
Okay? So, ito yung, hindi ka, I mean, not like what the media portrays it, na ang dali-dali lang magbenta ng bahay. Hindi po ganun. Napakahirap po magbenta kasi unang-una sa lahat, mataas ang interest.
Sobra.
Diba? Tapos, inflation is high. So, not everyone could actually qualify. Or yung iba, hindi nila kaya yung sikmurain yung ganong kalaking monthly payment.
It was tight. Very tight.
Diba?
Hirap.
Okay. So, I mean, it's not easy. You know what I mean? It's not like it used to be na, you know, you put the house on the market, then the next few days pending na. Ganon. It takes a lot of effort and time and marketing, negotiation skills.
Correct.
Ang daming kailangang gawin para makabenta ng bahay.
Or even in the buying side. Diba?
Even on the buying side.
On the buyer side. I know
alam mo bang, siguro 1/3 ng mga kliyente ko na buyer gustong mag-back out. During the time ng pasara na, ha? Kasi natakot sila sa monthly payment.
Ito yung sa mga challenges na nakikita ko sa in my end.
Correct. And if you're not a seasoned agent, how do you convince a buyer?
Yes.
Diba? Pero I'm glad I look back and ask them, hey, how you doing? Kumusta naman? They're so happy with their purchase. Sinasabi sa akin na yung binabayaran nila, wala raw katumbas yung happiness at stability na naibibigay nila sa
And
pamilya.
owning a home that is
Diba?
yours, diba? Yung feeling na yun, diba?
At saka hindi natatapon yung pera nila sa
Correct.
rent.
Mm-mm.
Tapos di pa, lalo na yung mga most of my clients, mga nurses, halos kalahati
Yeah.
napupunta kay
Yeah.
Uncle Sam.
Yeah. So lahat ng
Kung wala
mga
silang tax write.
lahat ng mga kliyente ko ng 2024, I called each one of them, kamusta kayo? How's everything, diba? They're all happy. They were scared, right?
Yes,
Doon
in the
na naman talaga in the
beginning.
beginning because of ang taas ng rate, what if, you know. Pero like I said, yung sino man ang who went through this 2024, nakita nila yung, kumbaga ba, the advantage of owning a home.
Correct.
Sobra,
Oo.
diba? Right?
Yeah, it's very beneficial.
Yes.
Nakakatakot lang sa una.
Sa una lang talaga. Pero I believe this 2025, guys, I think we're gonna be seeing much better ride.
Yes,
Yeah,
oo nga. Malagay mo anong prediction mo? Baba, interest.
It's gonna go down. It's gonna
Yes.
go down.
What do you think? It will be
ito,
on the fives? Do you think it will be on the fives? at least?
Let's not wag naman tayong ganong padalos-dalos because we're going into a new administration. A lot of adjustment is gonna happen, right?
Correct,
We alam naman natin how crazy our economy was and our inflation. It's gonna go down slowly but surely. I'm not sure if it's gonna go down right away to 5%, but we're going to see that. I just don't know when. Pero hopefully by by summer makita natin at least if not half a point, at least 1% less.
Oo nga, 1%
yeah,
less is
yeah.
a big help.
But guess what, guys? Be careful what you ask for kasi pag nangyari naman yung 1%, eto na. Diba?
Oo nga, ito na naman.
Ito na naman yung mga
We're gonna
tinatawag
get
nating
crazy.
craziness na ang hirap bumili ng bahay, maraming kompetensya, di ba? Right? So I believe it's gonna go slowly but surely as we settle.
Pero alam mo, Alvin, napansin ko I mean, especially like last, how do we call this? Last holiday.
Yes?
Ang daming deals.
Yes.
Alam mo yung mga kliyente ko, I got them a really good deal.
Yes. Especially sa mga new homes builders, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
oo,
definitely.
like some of them got like really low interest rates. Some of them got like 28,000
Incentives.
incentive.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
they pay all the closing costs. Kaya nga po, very important po, pag bibili po kayo ng bahay, do not go to a brand new home without a realtor.
Yes, you have to have one.
Yes,
So,
you need to
know.
have, me or someone that you trust.
Kasi may negotiation factor pa rin eh.
Correct.
Yeah, no
Oo.
matter
Tsaka
what,
yung
oo.
realtor, alam nila yung, especially first-time home buyer, they
Yeah.
never done it before. They don't know how to professionally negotiate. They don't know how to read contracts,
Correct.
diba? And alam po ba ninyo na effective January 1st of
Yes.
this year, naging law na po na kapag buyer po kayo at titingin ng bahay, you need to have a buyer agency. Hindi na po tayo po pwedeng tatawag lang tapos, hey, can you show me 1, 2, 3, 4 Banana Street?
Oo nga.
So you need to hire a realtor that will actually make an appointment for you to see the house. So there's 2 forms that you could actually sign. One is the buyer broker agreement. That one is good for 90 days. Unlimited homes po. Okay? Pag natapos yung 90 days, you could, resign a
Ito
new
yung
one.
buffet contract. You can, whatever.
Yes, okay.
Unlimited, okay?
And then the second one is what we call a showing agreement. This one is good for 30 days naman. And only good up to 3 properties. Oo.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
So you cannot just go and call, hey, can you show me 1, 2, 3, 4 Banana Street? You need to actually hire and enter a buyer agency. So what is the only option for the buyer to actually see a house?
Yeah. Well, that's
Anong
it.
option?
That's it. You have to
Be
with the realtor, yeah.
Besides those 2,
What's the other option?
go to an open house.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh. And then you have to sign that one
You need to sign a open house sign-in sheet.
agreement.
Yes,
Okay.
Pero you're not hiring anyone. At that time, doon na po kayo pwedeng mag-interview.
Yes.
But you gotta remember, those people inside the open house are seller's agent.
Correct.
Hindi po nila specialty ang buyer.
Oo.
Kaya po maganda, importante mag-interview po kayo.
Tama.
Yes, oo. So a lot of buyers natatakot ngayon. Sasabihin, naku, paano yun?
Oo.
Kailangan ko palang mag-hire ng agent. Hindi pa ako sigurado kung gusto kong bumili o mag-hire. So the only way you could do is do a free buyer consultation.
Consultation.
And I do provide that. So kung meron po kayong questions, you could definitely reach out to me at 916-730-8053 and I could book a free consultation for you.
There you go.
Yes.
Well, this, like I said, 2024, there was a lot of changes in our real estate rules, right?
Alam mo,
Sobrang dami, di ba?
Technically, alam mo nga, maraming mga realtors na akala nila a lot of realtors will be out of business.
Yes. Yeah.
But actually, to be honest with you, this one actually started August 17.
Mhm.
Pero business as usual pa rin.
Everybody adapts to the new rules, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
So most of the time yung mga deals that we do, seller pa rin ang nagbabayad.
Correct, oo.
Pina-factor in lang dun sa offer.
More disclosure lang talaga.
Dinidisclose lang na sino ba talagang
Magbabayad.
Yun lang.
Which tama naman yun. Kaya
Okay.
saludo ko. Now, my second prediction, Okay.
Yes, anong prediction mo
Ito pa,
naman?
now, as we know, we're gonna see the rate slowly but surely going down.
Yes.
I think we're gonna be seeing a lot of refinance coming
Do you
through.
think there's gonna be a lot of refinance?
Yeah, I think it's gonna coming no matter what. Kasi nga, houses has equity.
Correct.
Some of them has mortgage insurance. They're actually ready for a refinance. And I think if we see a 50% or like a half a point drop rate, we're gonna see a lot of refinancing.
Okay, yeah. I mean, half a point lang.
Yeah, half a point lang. Oh,
Wow.
yeah. Because
Is that
the
right?
you have mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance is basically if you put down less than 20%, diba? Right?
Correct.
You have an insurance because it's considered a risky loan.
Correct.
Pero some of them are $300, some of them are $400 depending on the purchase price. Sayang kasi talaga di ba? Kumbaga ba, it's money that it doesn't really go anywhere.
Oo nga,
marami
yeah.
na.
And because it's the new year, this is the perfect time to actually look at your budget.
Yeah.
Yung marami kasing mga maraming mga unnecessary expenses. Like
Expenses.
me, I'll give you example. Like I just look at my Apple
Yeah.
and I have all these charges
I did that last night.
na hindi ko
Oo.
ginagamit.
Mga subscribes, mga hindi mo alam. Oo.
Na automatic lang nagre-renew.
Oo.
So really, I mean, what we did is we look at our bank statement and i-scrutinize namin, ano ba itong mga
Yeah.
charges na to?
Mga Apple bill, mga Amazon bill, mga ganun.
Ang dami.
Oo. Yeah, totoo yan.
So,
totoo yan.
I mean, and then there's way for you to actually cut expenses and then use that money for savings or investment,
Oo.
di ba?
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot. It's just like the time.
Yeah.
And if you will make it as a priority,
Yeah.
you'll find
see.
some money
Yeah.
somewhere.
Oo. You just
Diba?
have to look. Ako nga, ginawa ko kagabi yun.
Yun ang ginawa
May
mo
mga
kagabi.
doble pa nga subscribe sa mga Apple,
Netflix. Oh my
Tinanggal ko
goodness.
talaga yung mga
Unnecessary.
Oo, talaga tinanggal ko. Siguro I'm gonna be saving at least $120 a month.
Yeah, well, that's good.
Dami.
Kami rin, alam mo,
Oh.
we
Konti.
anong tawag dito, yung Tesla malaking tulong
Yeah.
sa amin.
Mhm.
Kasi at least hindi na kami masyado nagpapagas.
Yeah, oo. The new Y, right?
Yeah.
I saw that. Good,
Yeah,
good.
what about you? Do you like your Tesla?
I love it. No,
You save
last 2 years I decided to get it because I'm always here na sa Sacramento, right?
Correct,
Doing
oo.
open house in your properties,
Yes.
right? And I decided to get the Tesla, the Y, right?
Yeah, speaking of that, nako Alvina, we really appreciate
Oh,
you.
of course.
You really hustle with us.
Yeah,
with
yeah.
us. I mean, sa open house namin, palagi kang nandyan.
Yeah, but I love your team, and I love
Yes.
you. I mean, you have a great team behind
Yeah.
you. You're great, and I feel like when I'm here, I'm learning a lot of stuff from you.
Yeah. At saka hindi lang yun. You're not just a loan officer. You're actually helping me mentor
Yeah.
some of these agents.
They're
Di
good
ba?
people. They're good
Yeah.
people.
Mhm. Kasi minsan, di ba, natidiscourage sila.
Yeah,
Di
of course.
ba?
Oh.
Kasi hindi nagkakaroon sila ng problema sa conversion,
Mhm,
ganon.
mhm.
Pero you're there to always encourage them
Yeah.
that keep moving forward.
Well, yeah. Well,
and
thank you.
And it's
Thank you.
part of the business.
Correct.
Diba?
I just want to be able. Listen, whatever I can put in as far as value sa business
Sa
ninyo,
team.
that's what I have.
Yes.
At the end of the day, like I said, 2025, I believe is going to be a great year. One thing though, one more, right?
Yes.
Pangatlo is that we see properties equity keep going high.
Oo
Hindi
nga,
siya
ano ba
bumababa.
yan?
Ganun.
Hindi, alam
Ang
mo,
weird nga, di ba? Napaka-weird, di ba? Ang taas ng rate, pero Andun pa rin ang ano.
Alam
no?
mo, ito nga nakakatawa kasi marami akong mga kliyente na, ate, bibili na lang kami, potential client to, kapag bumaba ng bahay. Sus Maria
Hindi
Jose,
mo mababa eh.
2 to 3 years na ang tigas ng
Naghihintay
ulo.
pa rin, di ba?
Talagang naghihintay pa rin.
Oo.
Na-miss out na nila yung 200,000 equity.
Sinabi mo, no? And guys, I just have to make sure na everybody understand this
Yes.
sometimes. Kasi akala na sometimes what makes the monthly payment a little bit more higher is because of the rate. Yeah, part of it. Pero it's more really yung price ng bahay.
Oo nga.
Yung tinitignan mong bahay last year, maybe about 40,000 less. Ngayon, ngayon mga 60,000 more na, di ba?
Correct, oo nga.
And that's a huge, kumbaga ba sa monthly payment
Alam mo
jump?
kung bakit hindi bumababa? Matigas yung presyo niya.
Mm.
Kasi inflation.
Yeah.
I mean, to build a new house, semento,
Oo.
kahoy,
Yeah, yung paisa.
labor,
Mhm,
di
yung
ba?
paisa.
I mean, it's not gonna go, especially in California.
Yeah.
I mean,
Sobra.
because we got the best weather.
Yeah. I love
And-
California, but everything here is expensive.
I know. And then also California, we got the best culture.
Yeah.
We're so cultured.
Sobra. We're spoiled. Spoiled din tayo dito.
Oo nga.
Pero we pay for it, right? Taxes-wise.
Taxes is high. Pero,
Gasolina. Lahat mataas.
pero I mean, would you rather live in a different state?
No, this is gonna be California is I'm a West guy talaga. I love the weather, right?
Correct.
Like you can be anywhere and in any time. You can be at the snow, you can be at the bay. There is just
Yeah.
everything is here.
Okay, the weather.
The weather.
And then I think also because we're forward thinkers.
Yes.
Don't you think?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, napansin ko yan.
Yeah,
Kasi minsan, I would like, you know how we have this mastermind with some
Yeah.
other agents
Uh-huh.
from different parts of the
Yes.
country.
Uh-uh.
And sometimes when we do mastermind, nagugulat sila yung the way I run my business.
Iba yung mindsetting natin,
at saka
di
yung
ba?
mindset, the way I respond,
Yeah.
the way I run my business.
Mhm.
It's like, oh, it's not gonna work in
this
my
States,
state.
yeah,
Oh,
oo.
it's not gonna
Well,
work here.
yeah.
But they don't even want to try.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like in the beginning, when that was what 3 years
Yeah.
ago.
Mhm.
Everybody was reluctant with social media.
Yeah. Now,
And
now everybody has to do it.
you
right?
have no choice.
Yeah, you have no choice.
Because this is the new medium.
It's a part of the game. It's part of the being. It's part of the marketing when it comes to our
Kasi
business.
we're not like with us. The beauty about, with our marketing,
Yeah.
kasi when we sell our sellers home,
Yeah.
we have to appeal to baby boomers,
Correct.
Generation X,
Yes.
which is our
Sa lahat.
generation,
Mhm.
Generation Y, millennials.
Mhm.
We have to appeal with all these generations.
Yeah, and everybody is different. Hindi
Correct.
pare-pareho, di ba?
Oo
Generation-wise, no?
Yes.
Tayo lang yung flexible, di ba? Anyway, guys, before we end our Bahay Pinoy sa episode 68,
Meron tayong announcement
tayo,
Oh,
right?
sige, ikaw na. Ikaw na magkwento.
We basically gonna start, kumbaga ba, we're gonna start having, guests here.
Yeah,
right?
small business
Small
owners.
business owner within Sacramento counties.
We're gonna,
right?
we're gonna feature them, Sacramento and Placer counties and Bay
Bay
Area
Area,
eventually.
yes, eventually, yeah. And we want to be able to go and have you again, maybe at the same
Feature
time,
you.
as-
So if you
expose your
are,
business,
if you are a small business owner,
Mhm.
please reach out to us so we could feature you here at Bahay Pinoy sa
Tate,
Tate.
mhm.
And also titikman din po namin ang inyong product
Yeah.
or pagkain sa inyong restaurant.
showcase your merchandise, right?
Yes, definitely. Kasi gusto po naming matulungan kayo at magtulungan po tayong
Yes.
mga mamayan ng Pilipino.
And with that, with all our viewers, meron tayong prize, di ba?
Correct.
Yeah,
Okay, speaking of that, we're gonna give away a $50 gift card for that specific business.
Yes,
And that's
yes.
gonna be starting next week.
Next week.
Yes.
I know
oo.
for me, I'm gonna probably spend 2 days here. I'm gonna look at some businesses
Yeah,
owner here.
pero
Yeah.
unahin natin na
Sa atin muna, no?
Oo, unahin muna natin yung savory chicken, favorite ko yan.
Gusto ko yun! Gusto ko yun!
Dito po sa El Grove.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, let's do that. Oo.
Yes. So anyway, we're happy that you're still here. I know we took a break for the holidays,
Yes,
but we are definitely back for
Yes,
2025.
Yeah.
And we're so happy that you're still tuning in with us para po sa ating usapang Pinoy.
Yeah, chika-chika lang. right?
Chika-chika lang.
Konting marites.
Yeah, parites.
konti lang, okay?
And then
Alright.
we're excited that we'll bring value to you
Correct.
here at
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate!
Thank you, everyone.
Let's go grab 2025, guys.
Okay,
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Bye-bye.